1.
3D mesh. Pick a thing. Replace mesh if you wanna. Warehouse. Extract buff tuning. Add to package. Delete sim data. In buff tuning, rename tuning ID. Remove all except the audios. Paste this code.
Find that in the description.
If wanting multiple effects, duplicate the U underneath the multiple effects line. Paste the name of the effect you want to use. To locate one, via the Visual Effects tool,
Find that in the description.
select Main, then search for an effect. Paste the bone of the joint you want it to follow. You can use your Blender file joint list for this, or check out Orange Mittens' bone list.
2.
CAS part. Locate buff. In group, add an 8 to the start. Paste your buff tuning's instance and add the sequence 6017E896 in type. Done. Ooh, imagine this with like the wearable CAS items. So many ideas.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.